So, hello Tech World. I know this is about to be late, but right now I'm going to be demonstrating to you installation of Windows 7 on a virtual machine. Unfortunately, I can't use my laptop because there seems to be a bit of difficulty between the application and my original laptop. Not sure. I guess it's just gonna handle its power, so I had to downgrade to somebody else's computer. I'm just hoping they do not see this video, because there will be problems later on in the future. But anyway, let's continue. So a good virtual machine that I like to use VirtualBox by Oracle. So Oracle is a good one to start off with. Where you could find Oracle, you could go online. No, it's not where I found it. Find it here. Go to virtualbox.org. So on there, it's a good place to find it. So let's continue. So here on virtual machine, enlarge. So we could start off with calling this Windows 7 64-bit. Meaning that this is a 64-bit machine, so it's more compatible with it, and that will be the right way in approaching this. If your machine is a 32-bit, then click the option in making it a 32-bit machine. If not, you just look into the about description and you could find out what processor machine it is. But the VirtualBox, it automatically know what type of bit machine your computer uses. So continuing. So here in this partition, we're going to take some of the RAM. For this partition, all you need is about 2 gigabytes. Nothing more. Let's continue. So in this size partition, you can create a virtual hard disk and virtual disk image. So it knows where to take it from. Dynamic allocation. And at least a 32 gig partition from the hard drive for the storage. It could be more than that, but up to your choice. So it's already a quick creation right here. So this is basically an operating system right here that doesn't have the Windows operating system onto it. So it is powered off, as it says right here. So powering on. Now, what you just do is go into File, and wherever you store the ISO image. Oh, forgot to mention that. So the ISO image is basically the full program of it. It's basically a snapshot of the entire operating system. So it would make it a much more quicker installation. So here I have it stored on my flash drive, so it would be a quick reach. So here, quick start. Now VirtualBox is just gonna run it and determine if it's good to go. Uploading file. Wonderful day we're having, right? It's been cold lately. Oh, look at that. It's a compatible match. It's all just starting up. Look at that old Windows sign. I haven't seen that in a while. Alright, so now we're just at the basic setup. For those who've ever set up a operating system from the beginning. It's all basically self-explanatory. You choose your language, the country, type of keyboard, continue with next, and then we do install now. So while it's going through the setup process, I'm just going to put the video on pause, this recording on pause until it gets further ahead. So you guys won't be sitting now just seeing this little circle go around and around. Alright, so we're back. Now accepting the license. Click next. So we don't do an upgrade because we're a bit of a more techie environment. So we want to set it up how we want to set it up. So we go to Custom Advanced. We select the partition hard drive right here. Click next. Alright, now it's copying Windows files. This one also will take a bit of a time as well. So in the meantime, again, I'm gonna pause the recording and we'll return when it is over. Alright, so it seems that the installation concluded and the computer has restarted. Come on, ándale. Okay, here we go. Username. Let's go with Big Mac. No, I am not fat. I'm a very slim Jamaican boy. Recommended password. Food. We all love food. Hints. Food. For this part, you can skip it. You don't need a product key. All you just need to do is use recommended settings for now. At this point, you can use public network, but of course home network. So for it to connect to home network, most likely it's just gonna piggyback right off the original operating system that is already on this device and connect to the internet connection. So welcome to Home Premium, preparing your desktop. Hopefully you guys will take notes. When it comes on to finding this ISO image for the operating system, you can also Google it online to find the proper operating system. Mind you, the longest process of this is getting that ISO image, being depending on your internet connection, it could take hours or up to maybe 30 minutes. Maybe for me, it took hours. Fortunately for me, I had one in my email, so it was an easy, quick transfer. So, look at that. Fully operated operating system. Look in Internet Explorer. Look at that. Ask me later. Let's see. How could I actually find Facebook? For that, fully operational. Alright, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video and learned something from this. And hopefully I get a good grade. You hear that, Professor? Thank you.